is I am just, well, I'm getting everything ready for a 4-link that's going to go in this Mustang behind me. So you kind of have to build everything. Like from Ride Tech, you get all the parts coming out of nicely labeled bags. And we're going to do the 4-link bars right now. Super cool. It even comes with its own anti-seize, so if you don't have any flopping around, it's okay. They got you. And it comes labeled in a nice bag. It says 4-link bar assembly. I don't know if you can see that or if it zooms in enough, but here you go. So on your bars, you have a right-hand side and the left-hand side, and your end links, your links will come marked the same way. They'll be in bags, right-hand and left-hand side. Right-hand side is usually the threaded side, and opposite for over there. Let's see what we got. Nope. Yeah. So these are right-hand threads. These are right-hand. If you want to know what I'm looking at, you can kind of see, you can slightly see the color difference. Side by side, these are actually duller than those. So those would be your right hands, these would be your left hands. We'll do one bar first so you guys can really see. Once you have your jam nuts on, we're going to start with a lower bar. We're going to use the anti-seize. You just squeeze a little bit of anti-seize on the first few threads. Same thing on this one. First few threads. That helps any. You can kind of see how it sets up on there. Just a little bead. Once you get this done, if you go back into your instructions and look, it'll tell you your center to center. That'll be your instructions, center to center. Like on these lower bar, these upper bars, it's like 11 3/4 inches, and you'll adjust it to that. And you want to make sure you're even on both sides once you do that adjustment. I'll get a tape measure and we'll show you. All right. Grab the tape. That is 12 inches center to center. So I have to go in quite a bit more on this side. Then I want to match it on this. Once again, we lay it down there, center to center, and I actually have, I went too short. I went to 11.5. So we're going to back it out. 2 threads on that one, and 2 threads on that one. Let's see what we get. 11 5/8. So you have 1 thread on that side. And we'll do 1 more on this side. Oops. Man, we are so close. One more. Actually, it's a half a turn is what we did on that one. Half a turn on that one. There it is. 11 3/4. From center to center. Get you over here, you can take a look at that. 11 3/4. 11 3/4. quarter. That's simple. That's the lower upper bar. Do the lower bars exactly the same way. They have a right hand and a left hand. So happy building.